This is AlamoFoodEquipment.com showing you one of the accessory items with the new Vac100 offered by Alamo Food Equipment. Did some fresh salsa. The canister that comes with the machine, just like the wine vacuum seal, we'll be doing the same concept. Put the lid on. I'll turn the pump on. Pulling a vacuum on it, then I'll put it in the refrigerator and I'll be able to eat on it as I want. It'll stay fresh and just like new. Now you can see that lid will not come off. It's pulled down tight. Now I can put this in the refrigerator and it'll be just like new. Thank you again from AlamoFoodEquipment.com.